Andrew.
Hey Greg, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Tell us about your board.
Alright, so this board looks so sick, super happy with the how it turned out. So I modelled it off for basically a 6 footer. Looks smaller than that, but it's 6 foot, just measured it up. Modelled off sort of Mark Richards design, a flyer at the end, and I've added a single fin at the bottom, just to spice it up, see how it goes in the water. And basically made this for our daughter who was 3 months at the time, and now she's almost 8. Look, she's frothing. And just thanks heaps to Greg, it's just come out so well, the polish and the finish that he's done, and just an amazing environment to complete this board in.
What was your favourite part?
Favourite part, I think the favourite part, just over time, it slowly develops, and every time you come in, it just looks that little bit more like a surfboard. At the start, it's a bit of a box shape, and it just, every session you do, it just turns out better and better, and it just makes you want to come back. So, yeah, that's the favourite bit of it all.
Do you know, well, your plan was not to surf it until...
Plan was not to
Hallie was
surf it
ready.
until she was old enough, but I might have to take her in the water just the once and just see how it goes. Yeah, it's too hard, too tempting not to be honest. It's just turned out just beautiful. Got a name on there.
It is absolutely stunning.
So yeah, see, interesting to see how it goes in the water. Yeah.
Who made your board?
Who made it?
Yeah.
I did. I did, and that's just a massive accomplishment, I guess. I didn't think I'd ever make a surfboard in my life, and here I am. And it's just a great skill to have as a surfer, and not even as a surfer, just as a woodworker as well.
Did you learn anything about boards from it?
Yeah, with the rails, they take a long time. You don't think they're ever going to end, but you get there in the end, and just learning, all the different curves and where to start, and yeah, just learned a lot.
Well done.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Cheers, mate.
You.